Hey everybody, Sandra here. We are going to do a very quick makeup look. I am going to karaoke, but it is 20 to 8. I can't even talk about all the catastrophes that have happened today. It has been one of, I just can't even go there because we don't have time to talk about it. I'm going to go in with my Extreme Cream as a primer slash moisturizer because I have not moisturized my face. So then we are going to do a little bit of concealer under the eyes using Natasha Denona HY-Glam N6, I believe this one is. Just a bit. I probably should do eyebrows first. So I'm going to let that sit because I'm going to do bronzer and blush at the same time. So I'll do eyebrows first. I'm going to do, like I said, I'm trying to do this in like speed demon time because it's already 20 to 9. Sorry, I said 20 to 8. 20 to 9, and I really wanted to be there on time. Last time I did my makeup, it was like I was almost like 45 minutes late, and I still have to walk there, so I'll be right back. Okay, eyebrows are done. I'm just gonna run my Benefit brow gel over them. Just a light coating. Okay, and then next, I'm going to add my bronzer. Okay, and I didn't, all right, I did not, I'm going to have to buff this out with the brush because I did not dampen my sponge. So we're going to do concealer first. You'll notice I put it all over the eye because I'm going to dust it with some powder and some powder bronzer. Okay, and then I'm going to blend out the bronzer with my little dual fiber brush. Okay, and then we're going to add a little bit of powder. I'll use my Hourglass veil because it's out. And then I'm going to line my upper lash line. So I'll do this off camera quick as well. All right, and then I'm going to go in with my powder bronzer. I think I'll use the Patrick Ta one because that one's out as well from last time. So I'm just going to open her up and just use the powder part. I think I'm going to use this fluffy brush today. It's almost like I'm setting again. I know I added a little bit of powder, but not a whole lot to my face. I like this one because, again, it's not shiny. It doesn't have any sparkle in it. It's just, it is what it is. Okay. And then I'm going to add some to my eyelids too. So I'm just take this brush and add a little bit of bronzer to the crease and bring it up towards my brow. This just helps my eye not look so like really, really bright. Gives it a little bit of shading. Okay, and then I'm not sure what I want to do for lip gloss. I've got lots of options. I'm going to try this Bare Glow by Makeup by Mario. It's like just like a really shiny lip gloss type product. It's really like melt in your mouth, like it's so squishy, it just like melts right down. So I think that's okay. It's kind of pink. It's nice and light to go with the bronze look. Okay, and I'm going to do mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back. And then we'll come back and do blush. I forgot about blush. Okay, guys, so while I'm waiting for my glue to dry, I figured I could go in and do blush really quick. So because I've already powdered, I'll do a powdered blush. Just been kind of reaching for this one because I like it so much. But but I wonder if I should use my Patrick Ta. Let's do that one. It's like the pink one. Which one is this? She's That Girl. That one's really pretty too. Just haven't used it in a long time. So let's do that now. I'm not using the cream one. I'll just use the powder formula. And just blush adds that instant like wow factor, you know? You can blend it out after if you've added too much. So I'll just go back in with my bronzing brush and just kind of tone it down a bit. And I feel like I also need to add some kind of bronzer, like liner, to my lash line, because I feel like my eyes look so big and like wide open, and they look better with lashes. I mean, I could leave it and just put lashes on, so I'm gonna go do that now, and I'll be right back. Okay, I think lashes are on. I think I'll add a little bit of my highlight. I'll leave all the names of everything down in the description so that you can buy it if you want to. So add a little bit of this to my nose, ridge of my nose, cheeks. Cupid's bow a little bit here underneath the brow. And I'll add some to the inner corner with a pencil brush. I'm really not adding a whole lot here. You can't really tell. And I was going to add liner to the waterline, but I think I'll hold off. So next is to spray the face. And I'm all done. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. 15 minutes isn't that bad. Mwah. Bye, friends.